The triangle inequality theorem states that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the length of a third side. If a triangle has a side length of 6 and 12, which inequality represents the possible length of x of the third side of the triangle. So you all need to know that if you have length A and B and C, and let's just say that C is the largest, okay, then the sum of the two sides of two shorter ones should be greater than the largest length or largest side of a triangle. So if you have 6 and 12, so we have two scenarios. One is that 6 and 12 might be the smaller one. Okay, so that means our largest one should be less than 18, or C should be less than 18. But that's not the only option. What happens if we have a side that's less than 12? So that means both A and B being smaller. Okay, so for those, this is like A, B, and C here. If you have 12 as the largest, so which means the C now becomes 12. And, okay, so if you have 6, it doesn't matter which one you choose, okay? Because either way, you will have one variable left. So let's just replace B with 6. Okay, and then when you subtract 6 on both sides, then A has to be greater than 6. Okay, so maybe we should have chosen A, because now that we know A is greater than 6, that tells us that now B is least. But that's not important, okay? It's important that whichever you choose, A or B, you know that the third side, whether it's A or C, the third side should be greater than, let's just say X. It should be between 6 and 18. So the correct answer should be C.